Solar power plant. A solar power plant is based on the conversion of sunlight into electricity, either directly using photovoltaic cells, PV cells, or indirectly using concentrated solar power, CSP. Concentrated solar power systems use mirrors and tracking systems to focus a large area of sunlight into a small beam. The reflected sunlight from the mirrors are concentrated to a point. This concentrated sunlight is sufficient enough to boil water to steam. The steam is converted into electricity by turbines and generators. There are many types of concentrated solar power system: towers, dishes, linear mirror, troughs. Photovoltaic cell converts light into electric current using the photoelectric effect. Let's understand solar plants based on photovoltaic effect, since it is the most common type of power plant. This type of power plant utilizes thermal energy from the sun, which is abundant and available freely. This thermal energy is further transformed into electrical energy using photovoltaic panels. A large number of panels are installed in an optimal configuration and harvest light energy from the sun and convert it into electrical energy. However, solar panels produce direct current, DC, electricity, so solar farms need conversion equipment to convert this to alternating current, AC, which is the form transmitted by the electricity grid. This conversion is done by inverters, and it is connected to a step-up transformer which supplies electricity. Note: there are different types of inverters including centralized and string inverters. Centralized inverters have higher capacity, in the order of 1 megawatt, while string inverters are significantly lower in capacity, normally in the order of 10 kilowatts. Solar PV farms can be ground-mounted or roof-mounted. Additionally, the ground-mounted systems can be fixed arrays, or installed with single-axis tracker or dual-axis tracker. Different tilt angles can be explored to find the optimal power production. Note: axis trackers are used to optimize performance as they allow for panels to track the sun as it moves position throughout the day. There are two main types of solar farms: utility solar farms and community solar farms. The biggest difference between them is about the scale. The utility scale solar farms tend to be much larger than those community solar farms. Note: utility scale solar farms can have a capacity of 1 megawatt to 2000 megawatts, while community solar farms are typically under 5 megawatts in size.